I know you may be tempted to eat out for dinner tonight, but don't, because tonight we are cooking from home. My name is Andrew, and you are watching Life Hacks. Mamma mia, tonight we are cooking from home, and here is why you should do it. Cooking from home is going to be a great way to save you some money, it's going to be healthier, and we are going to have a great time doing it. In this video, we're going to plan out what to eat, then I'm going to take you to the grocery store, and finally, we're going to cook it. Now on to the planning stage. When we're planning on what to cook, we're going to break down food into 4 different categories. The first category is going to be proteins, the second is carbohydrates, the third is fats, and the fourth is going to be our micronutrients. When we head to the grocery store, we're just going to pick one food item from each of those 4 categories. Foods in the protein section could be chicken, fish, steak, or we could also do beans or tofu as well. Carbohydrates could be rice, pasta, bread, and fats could be oils, butter, avocado, peanut butters, and more. Finally, in the micronutrients category, we're going to pick a vegetable, since vegetables provide many of the vitamins and minerals that we need for a strong and healthy body. Every time I go to eat, I always choose food from these 4 categories, and that's what we're going to go do right now. Life hack number 1. If your grocery store has discounted food, always check for it. 99 cents for all this food. And now I've got some new ideas. We're going to spice up our meal today with a little bit of tomato, maybe some mango, and some avocado. On our next category, we have the carbohydrates. We've got our entire grain section here. We've got rice, beans, get creative with it. We've got quinoa, but I think today we're going to head with some specialty rice. All right, next category is fat. For tonight, we're going to do avocado for our meal. Joseph. Alright, so now my mama would kill me if I didn't spice up the meal a little bit, so I figured on the salmon we can do a little bit of a mango salsa. So I got some mango, tomato, and lime juice. Alright, so our final one, for our micronutrients category, we're going to head to the produce section and just pick anything that's on sale. If you pick things that are on sale, you're going to get some variety into your diet. So today, asparagus is still $2.99 a pound, but it is on sale. We're going to get some asparagus. Well, I forgot to tell you, but the first category is protein. Today I got some fish. I was trying to get salmon, but they were actually all out of salmon. So I got something that looked like salmon, trout. Never had it before, but we're going to try it. But I guess that's part of the fun of cooking at home. It's always spontaneous. But here we are picking up some balloons at the dollar store for our introduction video later. Hope it turns out good. Zucchini! Well, now that we've made it back from the grocery store and we've picked 4 items at random from our 4 different food groups, we are ready to cook. Just as a reminder, we bought fish for our protein. We've got some nice Nature's Blend rice for our carbohydrates. We've got asparagus that can provide all of our multivitamin nutrients and such. And avocado will be our fat. Finally, we'll spice it up with a little bit of a mango salsa. Let's start cooking. We're gonna get the rice going. The only reason why I'm doing the rice first is because it's gonna take the longest to cook. Now that I've got some water boiling, I'll go ahead and pour that in. Set our timer for 45 minutes. We're good to go. Life hack, always use aluminum foil so that you don't have to clean the pan afterwards. Now that we've got our asparagus here, I'm gonna go ahead and just cut off the ends of it because personally I find it just a little bit chewy. We'll throw it in there and then into the oven. Life hack number 2, olive oil. It's a great fat and a healthy way to add some calories and a good way to bring out some taste as well. Life hack number 3, asparagus goes in the oven. Then set your 375 degrees. Your mama probably told you that you better preheat your oven before you put it in. I never have. I find it a waste of energy, especially in the summer months. Well, just an update for you. The rice has about 13 minutes remaining. It's looking quite good, actually. We have the asparagus in the oven, and I put the fish in about 5 minutes ago, and it probably has about another 5 minutes left. So, life hack number 4, whatever you plan on putting on top of your salmon, or any kind of fish that you have, just do it about 5 minutes prior to you taking it out. It'll let some of this stuff cook. So this is just the mango salsa that we have. I'm just gonna pour it right on top. Let that cook in with the salmon. We'll give it about 5 more minutes. We'll pull it out. After a little bit of work, we've finally been able to finish and plate our meal. We now have a well-rounded, tasty, and healthy meal, and I am stoked to start eating this. We'll finish it off with just a little bit of lime juice. And now we're ready to eat. My name is Andrew. Thank you for watching. I'll see you next time.